Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a game changer for your oral hygiene routine. Ever wondered how to step up your flossing game? Well, this could be the answer. We're reviewing the Waterpik Classic Professional Water Flosser, a device that promises to take plaque removal to the next level. With 6 pressure settings and 3 different tips, it's designed to tackle everything from gingivitis to bad breath. Stick around for the full breakdown, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review. Let's dive right in. The Waterpik Classic Professional Water Flosser stands out in the crowded dental care market with its promise to deliver a deep, effective clean backed by clinical studies. Its main feature is the PrecisionPulse technology, which combines water pressure with pulsations to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas. For those struggling with gingivitis, cavities, or persistent bad breath, this is a game changer. This model, the WP72, has a standard reservoir that holds 35 ounces, providing more than 90 seconds of continuous flossing time. If you've ever used a water flosser, you'll appreciate how easy it is to fill up and get started. It also comes with a second specialty reservoir designed for antibacterial solutions if your dentist has prescribed one. The pickpocket tip is included for gentle delivery of special rinses below the gum line, ideal for those sensitive spots or specific treatments. I've been using this flosser for a while now, and what I really love is the versatility it offers. The 6 different pressure settings give you complete control over the intensity, so whether you want a gentle floss or a deep clean, you can customize it to your needs. The handle switch makes it super easy to toggle between settings during use, and it's been a breeze to incorporate into my daily routine. Now let's talk about the performance. It's powerful yet gentle, and the pulsations really help to dislodge plaque and bacteria from those hard-to-reach areas. There's no discomfort, which is a big plus compared to traditional flossing, and I can definitely feel the difference in how clean my mouth feels. As for the design, it's compact, easy to store, and the fact that the reservoir is dishwasher safe is a major time saver for cleaning. However, like all devices, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The water reservoir, while generous, can sometimes make the device a bit bulky, especially if you're trying to store it in a cramped bathroom. And while it's fairly quiet compared to some models, the water pressure can be a bit strong for those with extremely sensitive gums, even on the lowest setting. So keep that in mind if you're looking for something ultra gentle. Is this Waterpik worth the price? Absolutely. It's an investment in your oral health, and given its ADA seal of acceptance, it's clear that this brand is a trusted choice among dental professionals. You're not just paying for a product, you're paying for results and peace of mind. With this device, you're getting a dentist-recommended tool that makes flossing feel effortless. In terms of alternatives, there are other water flossers on the market, but they often come with fewer settings or less effective performance. There are cheaper models, but if you're serious about improving your oral health, the extra cost for this one is justified. It outperforms many of the lower-priced models in terms of power and versatility. One thing that stood out to me was the build quality. The Waterpik Classic feels solid and durable, and the fact that it comes with a 2-year warranty adds to its overall appeal. If there's ever an issue, you've got reliable customer support from Waterpik's team in Colorado, and they're always quick to help. So, who would benefit the most from this flosser? If you've struggled with flossing before, or if you're just looking for an upgrade from manual flossing, this Waterpik is a great choice. It's ideal for those with gum health issues, braces, or anyone who's simply looking for a more efficient way to keep their teeth and gums healthy. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest reviews. If you're itching to get your hands on the Waterpik Classic, you can find the link in the comments. Also, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.